An electrician makes electrical systems work. Electrical power, lighting, and control systems are a part of every building. The electricians in these buildings install and maintain these systems. They use power tools and hand tools to run wiring through walls. They test equipment to ensure that it works properly and can function safely. They may also consult with engineers and other professionals in the field, such as industrial machinery mechanics, to ensure that the electrical systems are working safely. The electrician's work environment is potentially dangerous, especially if they are handling live electrical wires. Moreover, many electricians work in cramped conditions and are often exposed to hazardous chemicals. They must also be physically fit to handle heavy components and stand for long periods of time. Nevertheless, they have the flexibility and desire to get the job done. If you are curious about what to expect in an electricalian's day-to-day life, you can choose this field. There are several career opportunities in this field. An electrician can work on residential, commercial, and industrial properties. They can also work on machines and large pieces of equipment. An electrician can work inside or outside the home. Their job is to make essential items and systems function properly. They are often categorized into two categories based on the area in which they specialize. Some electricians work in a residential area or in an office building. You will need a licensed, insured, and bonded professional to complete your project. As the electrical industry is always changing, you may find yourself needing to acquire new skills to stay competitive. For example, you may find yourself installing solar panels on your roof. Or, you might be asked to install LAN cables in your home. Regardless of where you decide to work, it is vital to update your skills regularly. ONET has information about key characteristics of workers in the field. If you are interested in a career in this field, it might be a great choice for you. The electricians are responsible for obtaining and maintaining electrical power. They must install and maintain these systems safely. They also do repairs and maintenance. An electrician may work outdoors or indoors, and may even be called on to help with emergency situations. Regardless of whether you are working indoors or out, an electrician is vital to our modern society. An electrician should be able to read electrical drawings and understand electrical theory. If you have completed a formal education, an apprenticeship is probably for you. There are many types of electricians. Linemen work on higher voltage systems, while wiremen work on lower voltage inside buildings. An electrician can specialize in 5 primary areas. A commercial wireman can do home and business wiring. An industrial wireman can work on power lines. An outside lineman may also repair traffic signals or trim trees. If you want to work outside, you should have good physical fitness. It is important to know that an electrical worker is not an apprentice. There are different levels of electricians. An electrician can specialize in a specific area, or be an electrician in all 3 categories. You can work for a contractor or freelancer, or be an employee of a company. An electrical business is a great way to earn money and gain experience. The more you know about your trade, the more you can earn. And with the right education, you'll be on your way to a rewarding career. An electrician specializes in the wiring of buildings and other types of electrical equipment. Some electricians specialize in small jobs, while others specialize in large jobs. Some specialize in residential rewiring and commercial electrical repairs. Some specialize in both house wiring and commercial electrical work. Some also work in the construction industry and in the medical field. The range of possibilities is vast. If you're good at communication, you'll do well in an electrician career. There are many levels of training in the electrical industry. An apprenticeship in Victoria, for example, requires 4 years of work. A full-time apprentice will attend a trade school for at least 3 years, and he will take a few hundred hours of classes per week. A full-time apprentice will be paid a percentage of the wage of a journeyman. An electrician can also choose to take management classes to learn more about the electrical industry.